Welcome friends for our new video that is there for option market outlook for the gold. So we will be evaluating all the positions at different strike price have been made by the players in the market till the date of 30th of May 2025, and based on the actions they have already taken and position already built, with the help of open interest and other tools, we will try to identify the market movement direction as well as the key levels for the next coming week. So let's start our presentation. So this is the summary. Current future is closed at 3315.5, and trend is consolidation. As we have seen, it has been in between 3330 to downside of 3270, right? And put call ratio is 1.11, so put is bigger than the calls. So order placed at put are bigger than the order place at the call. So we can say like market tends to be bearish. Players believe that market can go down, so they have more put positions than the call positions. Volume put call ratio is 0.97, so it is neutral to slightly bullish because here put is not so like dominating. So this is the scenario on the basis of put call ratio. Overall market is looking forward for higher side of aging at the put side. So people think like market can go down, so they are hedging their positions with put. Either they can be of spot or maybe future at or at the order side bullions. So wherever they have kept their buying positions, they are keeping on hedging their positions with the put. That is why put volume is more than the call open interest volume, right? So again, put call ratio suggesting bearish, and call volume and call put ratio is suggesting slightly bullish intraday. These are some of the important strike price. So highest strike price is 3365, where volume has been generated, open interest has been built up, and again here up to 3450 people have built your positions, and you can see like 3450 price, 76 lots has been net off and open interest is 66. Top put strike price, so lowest strike price here is 3205. If we can keep our observation like current spot and future price difference is somewhere around $20. So if 3205 is the support, if we can consider, then spot market can go up to 3185, right? So that can be the support level for the spot market. And if we can check out expiry level bias and skew, then what type of expiry is reading what kind of market movement. So if 2 days of expiry, that can be of bearish nature, and up to 10 days of expiry also they are at bearish nature. So from the 2 days to 10 days of expiry, everything in between like 3 days, 4 days, and 6 days, if you can read on the slide, they are all at bias nature, right? So and we if we look at the different strike price, then 4 day expiry is having the lowest strike price of 3160 put. So people have hedged their position at the 3160 put strike price, right? So we can think like if market can go up to 3160, then the spot price may be somewhere around 3145, and highest call side open interest is built at 3430 call, right? So these are the two lowest and highest strike prices in between. Support and resistance. Immediate support can resistance can be 3340 to 3365. Here the strongest call open interest has been built. Above that, there is another resistance level that is 3400 to 3450. If we talk about support, support is around 3200 to 3245. Last week it is already been checked 3245. So if market is not moving upside, then it this time market can go up to 3200, right? and nearby support is 3270 to 3300. So it is somewhere around 2250 dollar movement from the current future price. Short-term outlook, if we think of 2 to 3 days of movement, then market is expected to be between 3300 to 3365. Currently, it is somewhere 3315. So maybe $20 downside movement and $40 upside movement is possible during this 2 to 3 days of time of the next coming week. And if we seek around 5 to 10 days of scenario, then it can be bearish undertone. And if it's below 3300, then it can go up to 3245 and 3200 also. And for the next 10 days of time, as we see in the last slide, it is the 3160 strike price where the highest open interest has been built up. So lowest or farthest support we can think of for the next coming week is 3160. So these are the some of the actionable insights, and these are the trading ideas what we can do around this week. If somebody is required this thing, then I can definitely share my presentation. So can you all can have your detail about our suggested ideas how you can trade around. So this is all about our weekly presentation. And now I will take you to the chart where I can make sure that these are the strike price and open interest OI and volume details suggested us as a support and resistance. If we can find those things on our chart or not. So let's visit our chart that is there for the uh, spot price, and let me just find out my chart. Just give me a moment. Yes, you can all see like I'm having multiple positions open. So I'm just finding out my chart window where I have set up my profile. So here is the chart. Let's get it refresh. Now the chart has been refreshed. So I will just make sure this screen is visible all of us. It is still loading my indicators. So now we have all set up here. So there are 3 4 indicators as you can see on the chart. The volume profile is there. So I can see at what price, what kind of volume has been generated. So it is the volume profile indicator. Then there is a volume profile standard deviation bands. So what can be the high and low from this band we can identify, like for current day that is ended on Friday. We can think of 3320 as the highest price of the day and the lowest price is 3271, right? So this is the Friday summary we can go through. Now coming back to the analysis, what we have got is 3400, 3450 can be the next resistance. So you can check it out with our indicator that is based on the smart money concept. This orange and green blocks are the order blocks. So upside, if we can check, it is 3325, 3350, 3375, and 3400 to 3415. So these are the upside order blocks, then can be used as a resistance, and at the downside it is 3250 and 3200. You can check out the bottom of this, it is coming to 3205. So it's a spot market. So there can be a difference between the spot and the future as we have already discussed in the presentation time. So now thing is like option prices and the smart money concept, both are overlapping the things, both are saying the same things. Like currently market is here, if it is breaking upside then it can check out 3320, where future market is already there. So we need to check out with the above range. It is coming to 3350, 3375, and 3400. And if it is going downward and breaking out the low of 3250, then it can go up to 3200. So now the thing is spot market order blocks and smart money concept and volume profile are stating the same things as we have already shown on the open interest analysis for the option chains for the gold for the last week that is ended on 30th of May. So now we can say like these are the support and resistance that has been observed on the spot market, and as well as it is the same support and resistance we can also observe on the option chain analysis, where the highest open interest skew or whatever the geek or maybe whatever the terminology we can analyze on the option chain, these are the same things we can evaluate. So this will be the key levels. From here market can move dynamically, and if we can create our positions around this support and resistance, we can do good in terms of profit making trades. So this is all about this week option chain analysis. Thank you very much for joining us on our YouTube, and we will keep doing this research and keep posting the report and videos on every Saturday or Sunday for the next coming week. So stay tuned to our videos, our channel, for getting insight about the new week analysis. If you need, we can share this report on our LinkedIn page, from where you can get this the report as PDF also. So stay tuned and be with us to get analysis more of this kind of reports and videos. And thank you very much again for joining us. I will wish you best of luck for next coming week for your happy trading and profitable trading. Thank you.